Miss Kate, thanks for inviting me out to your home on Tommy Lee to take a look at your roof. I'm going to show a couple things I found up here as I was inspecting. The two areas we talked about in the back where we had the tree puncture before, both those seem secure. This is the leak that is left side of the back door. This one is actually in the middle of the back door, and the leak we see inside is actually a little bit farther over here. So I come down here, look, we do have a little bit of soft wood underneath my feet. And so one of the first things I do is I look, I see we're missing a lot of granules on the shingles. They're getting bare down to the asphalt. For indication, here's a brand new shingle, obviously from the repair, full of granules. We come over here, we can see it down, lots of granules down to the asphalt mat. I can lift up the shingles with relative ease. You can see I can lift up that whole shingle and the one above it. And when I look underneath, I do see the rusted nails. Basically, water's been getting to the nails for some time and rusting them away. Here's another one, so just rusted nails. Now I get into this valley, and the valley should be nice and sealed, nice and tight. I can lift up the entire valley with my hand and get underneath it. That just shows where water and debris can get underneath there and then cause a leak. This back area above the back door is really worn out, most likely because it's just a tree above us, and it is out of life right here. So there would be no reason to do a repair here, just because we wouldn't be able to repair it like it should be with the older shingles surrounding the area. We come over to the chimney, and you talked about some rotted wood on the back left side. We go up an area where the wood is removed and gone. And actually we have the exposed flashing there. Okay, and then we do have some rotted wood, like third board up. When you see it's getting rotted right here, you can peel it away. So we can do the chimney repair and then replace basically the bottom three boards on all sides to make sure we're properly sealed and no wood rot should be coming. And like we talked about, we'll take it to where the last board has about an inch gap from the bottom, so that way we don't have any more of this going on right here where it's rotting out the board. So, we do have some rust on the chimney flashing over here as well. So it's my recommendation to see about getting the roof replaced here in the near future. Make sure your home is properly protected. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Dan Bennett with Tadlock Roofing. Thank you.